Right, so this is just a quick audio test, seeing if it's recorded separately. I'm going to do a free hunt, so I'm going to go outside Moga Village. You'll recognise the zone from Portable Third. In Portable Third they've got rid of all the water areas and replaced it with land, but you can still kind of like see where everything is. Yeah, it's really horrible loading time for some reason. I don't know if it's because, well, I don't know why it's that, but free hunts basically you can check the forecast every day in your village, and you can go out and hunt certain monsters. So you got Great Jaggy, Rathalos, Rathian, Luderoth, Legiochros, Kurapeka, and you can go out and kill them. Then it's not like a mission. You've got unlimited deaths. You have to bring your own resources, but it works out. So I'm just going to kill some of it, just as a quick test. Kill a few of those. And yeah, that's about it. See how this turns out. Do a little pick and wave goodbye.